Hey everyone, we're gonna make some fire starters that will burn for about 15 to 20 minutes, and it's good for starting your kindling or getting up to temp and get it wood to burn. And this will burn even when it's wet or if your kindling is kind of moist. So first we got wax that we purchased from Walmart and Target. Just typical wax. You can get them anywhere. So we're just melting the wax right now. And then after that, we're using recycled 8 cartons with cedar wood chips. And you can get these at any animal bedding store, Fleet Farm, any place that sells animal stuff. So that's what we're using. What I like to add for a little bit of scent for my candles, for the wax, are these scent candles that you get. So throw a couple pieces of these in there with that, and it should be good. One of these should be enough for probably one of these trays, or maybe half. It just depends on how well it saturates and how well it sits. Now that we've got it done, we're just waiting for it to cool off a little bit. We're just going to start pouring, and you will see this will start taking. Take your time, pour it nice and slow. Let the wax get into the cedar chips. Okay, when it's all said and done, this will be nice and ready to cook. And when all this is good, then we can pour this and we'll just let it sit and dry. And that's about it. So now all we got to do is just sit and wait and let this cure overnight. And we can start chopping these up, or leaving it the way it is and just tear up a little piece as you need to start fire. And this is the quickest and easiest way to start a fire.